Hello friends, today we'll see the preparation of alcohols from Grignard reagent. First of all, we studied preparation of alcohols from alkenes. Then in the second lecture we studied from carbonyl compounds, and now we are studying the preparation of alcohol from Grignard reagent. So first of all, what is Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent are the organometallic reagents, organometallic halides. So organometallic means it has organic group, that is alkyl group, and metallic is magnesium group, and halide is this X group, which can be chlorine or bromine. Right now, first of all, what will be the reactant which we will use to prepare the alcohol? Apart from the Grignard reagent, we will use the aldehyde or ketone. So here I am taking the carbonyl group. If it can be ketone or it can be aldehyde based on the groups attached to it. So when you will add the Grignard reagent, that is RMgX, then what will happen? This R is electronegative, partial negative charge will be there, and this magnesium will have partial positive charge. So this will attack on the carbon atom of the carbonyl group, and this bond will shift here, and the oxygen will become negatively charged, and then this positive part Mgx will attach to the oxygen atom. So what is happening here? The alkyl group is going to the carbon atom of carbonyl group, and the Mgx is going to the oxygen atom of the carbonyl group. So this structure is formed, right? R is here attached to carbon, and Mgx is attached to oxygen, and oxygen is having plus sign, and Mgx is having oxygen is having negative sign, and Mgx is positively charged. So this is an adduct, right? Now when you add water to it, the hydrogen atom will attach to the oxygen atom, like here, and Mgx will get attached to the OH atom of water. So MgOH R will be left as a byproduct, and this alcohol is formed. This is OH group attached to the carbon atom of this compound. So alcohol is formed. So this is the whole procedure from the Grignard reagent and the aldehyde or ketone, the formation of alcohol, right? So now we'll see some examples that how we'll prepare alcohol. So we are taking first formaldehyde. So HC double bond OH. So we are adding now Grignard reagent to it. So what will happen? First, this Mgx will attach to oxygen group, and R alkyl group will attach to carbon. So this adduct will be formed, and then when we add water to it, here hydrogen will get attached to the oxygen atom, and Mgx will be removed, and the byproduct MgOH will be formed. So this is the alcohol what you will get from the formaldehyde, that is methanol. You will get this alcohol. Now if it is some aldehyde other than formaldehyde, some R group is attached, so here it becomes the aldehyde. Now if you are adding R dash Mgx, this alkyl group is different from this alkyl group. So what will be formed? Here alkyl group will come, and this R dash group is coming from the Grignard reagent, and Mgx will attach to oxygen atom. So this adduct is formed from this aldehyde, and when you will add water to it, what will be formed? Hydrogen will get attached to the oxygen atom, and Mgx will be removed with the OH atom. So MgOHX will be formed by byproduct, and this alcohol will be formed by the attachment of hydrogen. So here R dash, and this will become R. So this alcohol will be formed. Earlier from the methanol, you were getting what? Primary alcohol, because here hydrogen atom was there and here alkyl group was there. So it was a primary alcohol because this carbon atom was attached to one alkyl group only. But this is a secondary alcohol because this carbon atom which is attached to hydroxy group, this is attached to two more alkyl groups. So this is secondary alcohol, right? So with methanol or formaldehyde we get primary alcohol, but with other aldehydes we get secondary alcohol. Now let us see with ketones what will we get. So ketone, this is a ketone in which both the alkyl groups are present on the carbonyl group, and this is R dash. So here what will come? R, 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 and this R dash is attached to this carbonyl carbon, and MgX is attached to oxygen. Then you are adding water. So what will be formed? This alcohol is formed and MgOH is removed. So this alcohol is what? This is tertiary because this carbon atom is attached to three alkyl groups. So this is tertiary. So this is the preparation of alcohol from Grignard reagents. Now let us take some example. If you take example of propanone. So propanone is, here what will come? CH3, and here also CH3. So this became propanone. Now you are adding R dash MgX, the Grignard reagent. So what will be formed? Here CH3 will come, here also CH3 will come. And if you are taking R dash as CH3 MgBr. So you are taking this Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium bromide, right? So what will be formed? Now first this will be formed. MgBr will get attached to oxygen atom and CH3 will get attached to this carbon atom. So this adduct is formed first. Then when you add water to it, then what will you get? You will get this alcohol, and here you will get MgOH. So this alcohol you are getting. And what will be its name? What will be its IUPAC name? This is having 3 carbon atoms in the main chain, so 1, 2 and 3. And at the second carbon there is methyl group and the hydroxy group. So you will name it as 2-methyl propane 2-ol. 2-methyl propane 2-ol. So this is the IUPAC name, and this you will get by the propanol. So this was very easy topic, how you prepare the alcohols. So these 3 methods were given in your 12th syllabus. So next we will study about the preparation of ethers. So I hope you got this topic. Thank you.